Hello children, this is Divya from Rainy Blooms Lekol International CBSE School. Today we are going to discuss about what is the importance of water. All living things need water. Human beings, plants and animals all need water to live. We get water from different sources, from rivers, lakes and sea and ocean. Only one third of the earth is land. How much of the earth is surface covered by water? Do you know? Let's see, more than 70% of earth surface is covered by water. Next, let's see forms of water. Water has three forms: solid, liquid and gaseous forms. Water has no shape and size. It is colorless, odorless and tasteless. Next, let's see solid forms and liquid forms and gas forms. The solid forms, when we placed a tray of water in the freeze, the water change into ice. The ice is the solid form of water. Next, let's see liquid form. When ice melts, it change into water, which is the liquid form of water. Water in this form takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Gas form. On boiling water, it change into steam. This steam rises into the air in the form of gas. Next, let's see water purification procedure. In a purification procedure, reduce the bacteria, virus and fungi. One major purpose of water purification is to provide clean drinking water. The water purification process by which under desired chemical components. This is mineral water factory. The bottle filled in mineral water without helping human beings. The machine finish the full procedure of the starting bottle come to end of the packing of the bottle. Next, your body use water in all its cells, organs and to help regulate its temperature and maintaining other body function. Because your body lose water through breathing, sweating and digestion, it's important to it help create saliva. Next, let's see which type of water bottle you have to use. Don't use frequently drink plastic water bottle. Kindly use silver or copper water bottle. It's help to reduce disease and healthy life. Water is used for many purposes like washing, cleaning, cooking and most important for drinking. Next, let's see what are the minerals contained in the waters. Water contains certain minerals including calcium, magnesium and potassium and sodium. Important calcium is bones and teeth. Magnesium for health nervous systems and potassium for to keep the muscles and nervous system healthy. Sodium to maintain balance of water around cells. Everyone must think you can't do anything without water. Save water, save life. Next, let's see the corporation water is essentially soft water without any kind of heavy minerals. Next, let's see the mineral waters can contain a high amount of minerals and other naturally acquiring components of including magnesium, calciums. You know the World Water Day, March 22. Save water,